Well, I got 2 new fans. There's that Farmington. There's that gazebo. There's that thing. I don't know. Aristocrat. Hunter Passport, I think. Armitage. Cascade. John Deere. A bunch of other gazebos. Grace Bay. But the most 2 recent ones that I got were these. There's actually 2 of them. Oh yeah, and there's also the veranda, which is on the floor right there. Yeah. I got these. Yeah, they're a little noisy, not gonna lie. I got these, I think it was 2 days ago, I'm pretty sure is when I got these. These are Hint Bay Genoas. I don't really know how to install hugger fans, to be honest. I like these type of fans more. Or that's the ones that I'm really used to installing. Got these 2 globes from it. Got that one, and also this one, which is my favorite. Yep. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Probably gonna install the other blades in a little bit, but yeah. Alright, so, yeah, this is a Hampton Bay Genoa. I don't know what year it's from. I don't know if there's actually a tag on here. It's a little noisy, not gonna lie. I think wires are, like, hitting the motor. That's why it's making that sound. You shut up. Oh yeah, and the most dangerous things that I actually have to stick on one of these turkey fryer things, or one of these turkey frying things, which is dangerous. Don't ever do that. I don't know where it is. Alright, let's install La second blade. These are pretty looking. Alright. Wait, I don't know what to do that. It's right here. This is dangerous. Don't stand on a turkey cooking thing. I don't know what it's called, so I really do not care. Ow. Kinda hurt. That was the ugliest face I've ever made. Oh no. That was a little dangerous. This is the only only thing that I have in here that's close to a stepladder. Oh man, that's not fitted in there right. Ah. Dang it. Come on, man, go in there. Whatever. 2 blades. It is so loud. The light fitter's bent. I'm probably gonna be end up maybe smashing this one. I got 2 of them actually, as you can see though. There's quite a bit of rust on it, along with on that one. I don't know if you can see it on that side right there. You can see a heap of rust. Quite a lot of it. This one doesn't have that much rust. This one's, I guess it's all right. I guess this one is. This one's messed up quite. It's like. I'm going to unscrew you. I don't know what I just said there, huh? Shut up! Don't stand on the turkey cooking thing. What is that? Something in the blade. Oh, the screw hole. Oh, come on, man. What? There's a dirt dauber's nest in that. I'm pretty sure it was vacant, though. Three blades. Again, the ugliest face ever. Again, that's another ugly face. I look like I don't have any eyebrows when I'm making that face. Oh my god, the blade. 3 blades. I think rust just flew from that one. It was so loud. Is what it's saying. I think I'm missing a blade. my uncle, or one of my, I guess, great uncle. He had two of these in his old house. He had two of them in his old house. And he took them down and replaced them with lights. And then he gave them to me. Since I'm a fan collector. So I got them. One of them had white blades, the other one just looked like this one right here. Except the other one had a different light kit. The one with the white blades had a different light kit. Had a different light kit. Yeah, it had a different light kit. It was like a 4 light kit. I guess what I'd say, or what I'm trying to say is that it was like a flower light kit. Oh my goodness, I cannot screw that in there. How do you go in? Come on, go in there. Is that the screw hole? Is it lined up? God, that's so hard. I have to screw it. Ugh! And it's complete. So I cannot put the globe on it because the light fitter is bent. That's fine though. Whew, feels good. Now what it needs is just a light bulb. Just machine gun. That's what it looks like. I know it looks like on camera, it looks like it's spinning really slow, but it's actually spinning pretty fast. I lost the screws to that one, so 3 blades can remain on that one. Hey, dude, look at how flimsy these are. And then a little crook. We'll just slow down a little bit and then. Ready? Oh! It cleared it. Or at least that's what I thought. Oh, it's bent. Not from me. Totally not me. I keep hitting the bent one. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.